Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to unblock a user that you have blocked previously on Reddit. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then tap on your avatar icon that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on settings, which is the last option down below. Then tap on your username in the account settings section. Then scroll down till you find the blocking and permissions section and tap on the first one saying manage blocked accounts. Here, as you can see, there are all the blocked accounts that you have blocked previously. If you want to unblock one of them or these, you need to press the button unblock that you can find in the right side of the screen. So now you have unblocked this user. As you can see, this function has been updated. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.